exercise 8.1 in that question number 6. Okay, if angle A and angle B, here angle A and angle B are the acute angles such that cos of this is equal to cos of this, then show that angle A equal to angle B. So here angle A and angle B, these are acute angle. Okay, so now we will consider this cos A and cos B. Okay, so cos of A can be written as this angle. Cos of A can be written as, that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, adjacent means here this is adjacent, that is AC, divided by hypotenuse means AB. Okay, so now we will see cos B. Okay, cos B is equal to, this is adjacent by hypotenuse means this is also adjacent by hypotenuse. So for this adjacent means here this is adjacent. Okay, that is BC, and hypotenuse is same AB. So he has given that cos A equal to cos B means this equal to this. So AC divided by AB is equal to BC divided by AB. So from the above, it is understood that, okay, see denominator equals means this is equal, that is AC is equal to BC. Okay, AC is equal to BC. So means this side is equal to this side, that is the length of this side is equal to length of this side. Suppose here in isosceles triangle we observed that, so this side and this side, if they are equal, then the sides, the angles located here, they are also equal. This is also equal because of this isosceles nature. Okay, so hence here angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, so here exercise 8.1 in that question number 7. So he has given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, so let us consider this as a theta. So cot theta is equal to 7 divided by 8. Okay, so cot definition here, adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, here adjacent means this one, opposite means this one. Okay, adjacent means AB, here AB divided by BC. So compare this one with this one. So AB is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 8. Okay, this is 7 and this is 8. So we will find out this one, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is 7 square plus 8 square. So AC square is equal to 49 plus 64. So AC, here AC, this is AC. So this is equal to, so 113, square root of 113, that's all. So here 113 units. Okay, so now we know all the three sides, so then we can calculate this one. So sine of theta can be calculated as opposite divided by hypotenuse, that is OPP by hypotenuse. So here BC divided by AC, so here 8 divided by 113. Okay, so here cos theta also we will see, cos theta is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent is nothing but AB divided by AC. So AB is equal to 7 divided by root 113. So these values, sin theta and cos theta value you know, sin theta and cos theta value you know. So we will consider this first portion, that is 1 plus sin theta, here 1 minus sin theta divided by, so 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So here you observe this is A plus B into A minus B. So the formula for this one will be A square minus B square. Okay, in this way it is there. So here this can be written as 1 square minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta. So divided by same thing, 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so sin theta whole square they are asking. Okay, so sin theta, that is 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but this is sin theta. So this square means that is sin square theta. So here 8 divided by 113, this is square, sin square theta. So 1 minus cos theta means 7 divided by 113. This is square. Okay. So here this square 1 minus 64 divided by 113, and here 1 minus 7 7 49 divided by 113. So LCM you can take 113. So 113 minus 64 divided by 113 minus 49 divided by 113. So this cancel. So here 113 minus 64 is nothing but, so this is equal to 49 divided by, here this is equal to 64. So 49 by 64. Okay. So this is the value for this one. So second portion we will take. So here the second portion is cot square theta. So here cot square theta is here. Cot theta he has given already. Okay. Cot theta is equal to 7 divided by 8 he has given. So he is asking cot square theta, just the square of this one. Okay. Cot theta square is equal to 7 divided by 8 square. This is 49 divided by 64. Okay. This is also same. So this is also same. Both values are same. We will go for next one. So exercise 8.1, in that question number 8. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether this is equal to this or not. Okay. So both we have to calculate, and this one we have to verify with the result of this one. Okay. So given 3 cot A is equal to 4. So cot of A is equal to 4 divided by 3. So cot definition is, that is cot of A is equal to, that is adjacent divided by opposite. This is cot. Okay. So here cot of A, this angle, that is adjacent means this one, that is AB divided by opposite means BC. Okay. This is comparing with 4 by 3. Okay. AB is equal to 4. This is equal to 3. So this can be calculated, and of course it will come to 5 only. You can see here. AC square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. So AC square is equal to 9 plus 16. So AC is equal to square root of 25. So AC is equal to plus 5. So this is equal to 5. So now we have to verify this is equal to this or not. So first we will consider this one. Consider 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So first we will calculate what is tan of A. So this is equal to, tan of A means that is opposite divided by adjacent. So opposite means that is 3 divided by 4. Okay. Tan square means here this is 3 by 4 square. Okay. So tan square is equal to 9 by 16. Okay. So now we will substitute here. That is 1 minus 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. So which is equal to 16 minus 9 divided by 16. So 16 plus 9 divided by 16. So this 16 cancels. So 16 minus 9 means 7 divided by 16 minus 9, 16 plus 9 means 25. So this is equal to 7 by 25. So now we will consider this one, cos square A and sin square A. So before that, first we will see what is sin A and cos A. So sin A is equal to, this is opposite by hypotenuse. So sin A of this one means this 3 divided by 5. Okay. So cos A is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So here cos A means adjacent means 4 divided by 5. So here sin square means this is 9 by 25. Cos square means here 16 by 25. Okay. So now we will substitute here. That is cos square A minus sin square A. So cos square A is equal to what? That is 16 by 25 minus 9 divided by 25. So here 25 is the LCM. So 16 minus 9 will be 7. So this 7 25 and this 7 by 25 both are equal. Yes, they are equal. They are equal. They are equal. Okay. So now we will go for next one. So exercise 8.1, in that question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B here, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, that is tan of A is given, that is 1 by root 3. Okay. Find the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Okay. So first, as per the definition of this tan, that is tan of A is equal to here opposite divided by adjacent. Okay. So this tan A, this angle, this is opposite BC, okay, divided by adjacent means AB, okay. Here this is equal to 1 by root 3. So BC is equal to 1, this is equal to root 3. So now we have to calculate this AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So here AB means root 3 square plus 1 square. So this is 3 plus 1. So this is AC is equal to square root of 4. So AC is equal to 2. So this is equal to 2. Now we have to calculate sin A and cos C. That is sin A is equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse. So sin of A, here this sin of A, opposite, that is 1 divided by hypotenuse. So here cos of C we have to calculate. So this angle we have to calculate, that is cos of C means, here cos value means adjacent by hypotenuse, okay. So here for this adjacent is 1, hypotenuse is 2, okay, this is also 1 by 2, okay. So here cos A, cos of A, this cos of A, that is adjacent by hypotenuse, adjacent by hypotenuse. Here for this adjacent is root 3, okay, hypotenuse is 2. So here sin of C we have to calculate. This one sin of C means opposite by hypotenuse, okay. For this opposite is root 3, this is 2. So now we will substitute here first portion sin A into cos C, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, okay. So here 1 by 4 plus root 3 into root 3 will be 3 divided by 4. So this is equal to 4 LCM, 3 plus 1. So this is 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. So the answer is equal to 1. So second one we will see. Here cos A, cos C, okay. Here cos A we know, cos C also we know, sin A we know, sin C we know. So we will substitute here. That is second portion. So cos A is what? Here root 3 divided by 2 into cos of C, here 1 by 2, okay, minus, okay, sin A, sin C, sin of A means 1 by 2, okay, sin of C means root 3 by 2, okay, this is into. So here root 3 divided by 4 minus here also root 3 by 4. So this is equal to 0. So this value is 0. Okay, we will go for next one. So exercise 8.1 in that question number 10. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q here, right angled at Q. So PR plus QR equal to 25 centimeter. That is PR plus QR given PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay, that is PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. So determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, so before going to find out, we have to calculate the side's length so that we can able to calculate. So when this is 5 and this plus this is equal to 25. So now here PR square, as per the Pythagoras, we know that PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This we know. But here PR plus QR he has given. Okay, PR plus QR he has given. So now here let us assume this distance as x centimeter. Okay, so then what will be this PR? See here, assume QR is equal to x centimeters. Okay, so now here PR is equal to 25 minus x. Okay, this will be 25 minus x. So now we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so here PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So PR square means that is 25 minus x whole square. So here PQ square, that is 5 square. So PR square means x square. Okay, so we will simplify this one. 25 square, that is 625, that is a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 50x is equal to 5 square plus x square. Okay, so x square, this will be cancelled. Minus 50x plus 625 minus 25, okay, is equal to 0, because 5 square is 25. This I have brought to LHS. So 50x is equal to 600. Okay, so x is equal to 600 divided by 50. 0 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are. Okay, so x is equal to 12. So when this x is equal to 12 centimeter, so what will be this one? 25 minus x means this is 13 centimeter. Okay, this is 5 centimeter. So 12, 13, 5. We got all the three sides length. So then we have to calculate the value of this sine p. Sine of p, this is opposite. Okay, opposite divided by hypotenuse. So opposite means QR divided by PR. QR is nothing but 12 divided by 13. So cos of p is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So here adjacent means PQ divided by PR. So here 5 divided by 13. So tan of P is equal to opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so QR divided by PQ. Okay, QR is nothing but 12 divided by 5. So these are the three values. So exercise 8.1 in that question number 11. Here state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answers. So I have taken one triangle, that is right angled at B. So the value of tan A, this is always less than 1. Here first portion will take, that is tan of A is always less than 1. That he has given. We have to say whether it is true or false. So let us consider this BC. Here BC is more than AB. Okay, so we know that the tan definition, tan of A, that is definition will be opposite divided by adjacent. Okay, so we have considered BC is greater than, that is opposite, that is BC divided by AB. Okay, so now if this BC is greater than AB, then definitely this tan value will be, tan of A will be greater than 1 only. Okay, there may be a chance of like this, that is BC is like this. In this way it may be there. Okay, for this type of triangle the tan A will be always greater than 1. So then this is false. This statement is false. Okay, second one will take, that is secant A is equal to 12 divided by 5. Is it possible? They are asking. Means here for example this A, secant definition is equal to what? 1 by cos. That is cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. Means this is hypotenuse by adjacent. So hypotenuse will be, see here, this is the largest length in all the sides. That is the length will be more here. That is hypotenuse length is more than this adjacent. Hence this secant value will be more. Always it will be greater than 1. And here he has given 12 divided by 5. 12 by 5 means it is more less greater than 1 only. So hence it may be true. This may be a true. So third one. First, second over. Third one. Here cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Okay. Here cos A, whether it is equal to cosecant of angle A? No, it is wrong. Because cosecant is different from cos. Because cos is this is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Okay, but cosecant is what? Cosecant is, this is the reciprocal of sine, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Okay, so one and the other, so hence they are different from each other. So this is abbreviation used for, this is false. So now this is fourth one, that is cot A is the product of cot and A. Cot A is a product of cot and A. But here this cot and A cannot be separable. So they are inseparable. Hence this cannot be used as cot and A. So it is a cot A is nothing but cot A itself. So this is false. So here sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, sin theta is equal to 4 by 3. So for some angle of theta, here sin theta means, for example, this is a theta. Sin theta means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse means when this is 4, is it possible to become this is 3? So this is not at all possible, because hypotenuse is the longest side of the triangle. So hence this is not possible. This is false. Okay, so thank you.